Here's something I wish someone shared about creating content on YouTube that I had to learn for myself. Now, I teach women all of the time how to optimize and monetize their YouTube channels. But the one thing I will share that will change the game of how you create content is this. It's my story. And I was able to attract 31,000 subscribers. Over the span of 6 years, it's because I've done a lot of things that were wrong. Maybe in 6 years I should have hit 100K. Who knows? But that's besides the point. I help people who are creating content all the time or who haven't created content who want to optimize and monetize their channel. And it's all great, and it really is. But I want to share something that I had to learn the hard way. And that is the amount of subscribers that you have, the amount of views that you have, and the amount of comments and everything on the analytics side does not guarantee that you'll make a lot of money. Again, I'm not out here selling a dream and making sure you feel success, but it is the truth.